Thank you for taking the first step in your journey to learn more about Brookdale Community College. I am Dr. Pat Gallo, Dean of the Business and Social Science Institute. This institute's programs are designed to provide you with the skills needed to make you job ready at graduation or academically ready to transfer. We are here to help you make the right choices and the best financial decisions. The institute includes business, culinary arts, fashion design and merchandising, hospitality management and paralegal studies, along with courses in accounting, economics, and marketing. It also includes degrees in anthropology, criminal justice, homeland security and emergency management, education, history, human services including addiction studies, philosophy, political science, psychology, and sociology. Our outstanding faculty and staff and student services personnel are here to help make your journey successful and enjoyable. All you need to do is take the next step into your future. I look forward to seeing you at Open House and want to thank you for considering Brookdale Community College.